It's all recorded.
Hey, Carm.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna be cooking the turkey for Thanksgiving, right? Quick thing. It's like 22, 23 pounds, right? How long do I microwave it for?
I didn't hear you, baby.
All right. I got the turkey's like 23 pounds. How long would you microwave a 23-pound turkey for?
I mean, if you want to cook it,
I am going to cook it, but I need your advice here. I'm gonna put it in the microwave but like, how long do you microwave a 23-pound turkey for?
I don't know. I never considered putting a turkey in the microwave.
Go ahead, Carmen.
That'd be forever.
I mean, what do you think? Should I put it in there for like 30 minutes, 35 minutes or something? An hour?
How long would you put it in the oven?
I think it's like 5 minutes a pound or something, 20 minutes a pound or something like that. But like, man, microwaves I heard are much faster though. How long do you think I should put it in the microwave for?
I don't know. Try it.
I mean, like,
Yes, you just have to try it.
this is my first time ever cooking a turkey for Thanksgiving, so it's like kind of awkward.
Well, you just put it in the oven. You won't have a problem. I never heard of nobody cooking a turkey in the microwave.
I'm trying to eat healthy this year and make it fast and stuff and whatnot, but like, yeah, I was just, alright. Because, like, I'm kind of thinking, like, microwaving it might kind of make it, like, a better flavor. It kind of, like, makes the skin extra crispy and stuff like that, too. And, I know how you like extra crispy skin. Everybody would eat that before they even carve the turkey and whatnot. But, yeah. So, you think I should microwave it for, like, 45 minutes or something? Or should I do, like, what should we call it, like, 2 minutes a pound? That would be, like, 46 minutes anyway.
Turkey in a microwave. I don't do nothing with the microwave, but I use the microwave just for fast cooking, something I want fast.
Yeah, I want a turkey fast. That's why I'm using the microwave.
I ain't talking about turkey. I'm talking about this little thing.
If we could stuff chickens in the microwave, the microwave big enough for a turkey too. I think we could get that in there.
I think you could too, but I never thought about cooking anything large in a microwave.
People don't cook turkeys in deep fryers before. Why not microwave it?
See, I never did.
If you can deep fry it, you can microwave it. Like people deep fry French fries, chicken, stuff like that. You can microwave all those things.
I imagine you could, but it's something I've never done. I've never thought about doing. You know. So you have to get that information from somebody. I don't know who.
Right. You think maybe an hour?
I wouldn't. I'm not the one to answer. I keep telling you, Fraser. I have no idea, but I never even considered cooking the whole turkey. And when I think of microwave, I think about something little that I might be able to throw in there. And when I want to cook a turkey, I think about an oven.
23-pound turkey's kind of little for a turkey, man.
See, when I was actually cooking, we didn't even have a microwave. So I never even thought about cooking anything in a microwave. When I think of microwave, I think of heating something up or something like that.
Yeah, I want to heat up a turkey.
You want to cook a turkey. I don't think when I'm cooking, I think of oven.
Yeah, microwave oven.
I don't think of a microwave as an oven. I just think of a microwave if I want something to warm up or something like that.
Yeah, nice plump 23-pound turkey.
That's not warming, that's cooking.
Yeah, but when it cooks, it's pretty warm and nice and crispy and juicy still on the inside.
It's not warm, it's hot.
And I mean, like 23 pounds, that ain't enough to feed the whole fire department. That's why I'm trying to stay away from the oven.
Well, I think of an oven. That's the way I think of it. I never considered it otherwise.
Yeah.
But I'm not the one to ask that, but
And I kind of the thing is, I use your oven usually to fix water damaged phones. I don't usually cook with the oven. I put iPads in it to get the screens off and stuff like that. I haven't really used it much for cooking.
well, I do.
Well, except for my weed brownies from time to time. That's just about it.
Now, I'm not the one.
Alright. Well, I'll see. Well, I don't know. I'll probably get a second turkey. I'll microwave the first one, and then I'll figure out some kind of way about. I'll get some directions on using this oven and figure it out how to cook another turkey in this oven. Then I'll figure out something.
Okay, why you don't want to just put it in the oven?
Because, as I said, a 23-pound turkey is not large enough to feed the whole fire department.
It's not large enough, but that's what it's for.
But 23 pounds and a bunch of firefighters.
Oh, turkey, that's not like a 2 pound a root.
But firefighters have an appetite.
23 pounds is almost as big as me.
And then you're talking about a potential of 3 alarms. So you probably got several different departments I'm going to be feeding with that turkey. That's why I really don't want to use the oven. I don't want to share it with the Philadelphia Fire Department. I just want to kind of be with us, you know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean. But I think of a 23-pound turkey going in the oven.
If I microwave the turkey, there will still be a kitchen for me to microwave the turkey on Christmas. If I put the turkey in the oven, we will have the Philadelphia Fire Department as our guests.
Well, you use your judgment. I don't know.
I'll figure out something.
Okay.
Alright, Carmen, love you.
I think it was a turkey was heavy.
Alright, love you.